The Rug Doctor Versatility Tool helps you clean upholstery, stairs, area rugs, and anywhere else you might have stains or spots. To start, unwrap the Versatility Tool from the tool caddy. Connect the solution line to the port next to the tank handle. Open the wastewater port by pulling the black plug out. Line up the icons, then slide in and rotate right to lock into place. Turn the power switch to tool and position the Versatility Tool in front of the area or stain you want to clean. Squeeze the soap trigger, then move the tool back and forth. Repeat as needed. Let's get cleaning!
Life's messy. That's why Bissell engineered the SpotClean Pro. It's our most powerful spot cleaner, and it's ideal for removing stains from virtually anywhere in your home or car. The compact and portable design lets you take superior stain-fighting formula and superior suction to hard-to-reach spots where messes happen, but full-sized upright carpet cleaners may not fit. When the small, hard-to-reach stains strike, SpotClean Pro is there to help.